The Two Wolves. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived an old Cherokee grandfather. He had a wise and gentle demeanor that earned him the respect of the entire village, especially the children. One evening, he gathered the children around the fire to share an important life lesson. He began, "My dear children, I want to tell you a story about two wolves that live within each of us. These wolves represent our inner selves, our thoughts, and our emotions. The first wolf," he continued, "is the wolf of darkness. It is filled with anger, jealousy, greed, arrogance, and self-pity. This wolf thrives on negativity and hatred. It can lead us down a path of destruction if we let it. The second wolf," he said, "is the wolf of light. It embodies love, compassion, kindness, humility, and empathy. This wolf seeks to spread goodness and positivity in our lives." The children were captivated by the story, and one child asked, "But which wolf wins, grandfather?" The wise old man smiled and replied, "The one you feed." He went on to explain, "Every day, we have a choice. We can choose to feed the wolf of darkness by harboring negative thoughts, holding grudges, and seeking revenge. Or, we can choose to feed the wolf of light by practicing forgiveness, love, and kindness." The children pondered this for a moment. Then, another child asked, "How do we know which wolf we are feeding?" The old man nodded and said, "You will know by the way you feel. When you feed the wolf of darkness, you will feel anger, sadness, and negativity. But when you feed the wolf of light, you will feel happiness, peace, and love." He encouraged the children to reflect on their actions and thoughts, always striving to nourish the wolf of light within them. "Remember," he said, "the wolf you choose to feed will grow stronger and define the kind of person you become." The children left that evening with a valuable lesson in their hearts. They realized that their choices and actions had the power to shape their character and influence their lives. From that day forward, they strived to feed the wolf of light, spreading love and kindness throughout the village. And so, the story of the two wolves became a guiding light for the children, teaching them the importance of making positive choices and nurturing the goodness within themselves.